I feel like what's about to happen is the equivalent of me going to the thrift store blindfolded. This feels like actual trash. I can like see me wearing this. Totally.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
I'm already overwhelmed.
Losing track, even got
Is it high-waisted? How do you know?
dangerous, selfish way to love me.
I'm struggling. We were just about to start filming and then Sarah says,
what is this angle? Last time I feel like he could have done better. And I didn't want to roast him in the video because I wouldn't everyone to think I was a but like, just saying.
so is this what I need to be trying to buy at the thrift store?
Like, I'm not gonna tell you what to buy, I just think you need a little inspiration. Because like jeans and a t-shirt is not it, sis. There's so much more we can do.
Look, I don't know if I can replicate these without DIYing it myself.
You can do a little thrift flip.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
5 minutes later from the last clip and Sarah's still talking about the fact that I need to just do better, and she showed me a couple TikToks of like, yeah, like this and that, just like, you know, branch out. You're gonna regret that.
No power.
Sarah's still going on about it and we haven't even made it to the car.
The thing is, I bought
See, no, I'm not listening.
I just told King to tell me if this thrift store is good, and he said, well, it doesn't matter because by the time I'm done, there's not gonna be anything good left in there. We got a little confidence over here. Okay, have fun.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
I'm already overwhelmed.
Losing track, even got no soundtrack.
I'm just leaving now. After Sarah said that I need to do really well, I feel too much pressure and I couldn't find anything. This is Sarah just being a lazy ass.
The jeans aren't in your size.
We go back, we go back.
Is it high-waisted? How do you know?
Losing track, even got no soundtrack. Dangerous, selfish way
I'm struggling.
more these days.
This is literally the 8th store I've gone into for this video. Send help. That was way harder than I expected, and I was only meant to get 3 outfits and I have 12 pieces of clothing. Not to mention that every single one of these pieces of clothing needs to be changed. I also washed this top with that sweater and it went pink, and I'm colorblind and I can still see that it's pink. I'm gonna make a matching set out of this. Wish me luck. Not to mention I don't actually have a sewing machine, so I spent all day shopping and now today I'm going to spend all day DIYing clothing. Enjoy the time lapse.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Losing track.
I'm starting up a new alterations business. Hit me up in the DMs. Okay, that's gonna look amazing when I'm done with it.
Love you more these days. We go back, we go back.
This is day 3 of this video for me. Day 2 was all DIYs
I
for me.
love it how you bought it packed
No, I
up
don't-
in a bag. Oh, she's
Yeah, I
heavy.
know.
There's gotta be a winter outfit in here,
You've got
right?
lipstick on your teeth.
Really?
Sarah was really not confident that I would get something that she liked, so she gave me not 1 but 2 Pinterest boards. You were reaching, pal. Come
Look,
on.
I didn't give you a Pinterest board of stuff that I thought you could thrift. I gave you a Pinterest board of my personal style. The fact that you were aiming for these Pinterest boards makes me proud.
Okay,
Great
well,
job,
thanks,
pal.
pal.
The fact that you said that I was reaching there is like making me nervous. I feel like what's about to happen is the equivalent of me going to the thrift store blindfolded. Wait, did we do outfits or did we do
Look, I'm just gonna
like
explain.
just a haul?
It's a bit of both.
Okay.
What happens when you thrift is you buy something because you like it and then you cannot find anything that goes with it, and then you've just bought this
Okay.
thing. Because I went to 8 thrift stores. 8.
I'm so sorry you had to invest that much time into this video.
And then an entire day DIYing.
And then I'm
not
probably just
worried.
gonna roast everything. I'm gonna love it. You're gonna
Okay.
do great.
I'll add on the screen what this looked like. Here it is,
Oh,
Sarah.
it smells a little funky.
Look, open your eyes.
Oh, it's like not that bad. What did you do to it? Am I allowed to know what you did to these things?
It was like a to the feet skirt.
Oh, shit! Wait, this is like actually kind of cute.
Yeah, I even made the measurements good, pal. That extra fabric, I make it a matching top.
Wait, what the actual you really committed to oh my god, this is like a Coachella fit. This is cute. Okay, my expectations for this video versus like what it's turning out to be is like completely different. Did you make this or did
I made it. This is what it looked like before.
How did you do it?
I know.
When I say that back in the day, I used to make DIY videos and Kane was like a big part of that, he was like the whole part of that. Clearly, This is not what I expected. You can look.
Oh, what the heck? That's actually sick, pal.
The skirt is actually a little bit too big. It's so cute, pal. I'm so proud. You're so creative.
I'm actually so impressed. That looks sick. It looks cool from the back.
It looks so cute tied up at the back. We got some little boots on. I'm not kidding, pal. I actually think people would wear something like this to like a music festival. Fashion designer Kane coming at you. New York Fashion Week.
I charge by the minute, by the way.
I have to pay you for this, do I?
Yeah. I was most concerned about the length. Like, I had no idea what length to make it.
You did a great job, pal. I am literally shook. I can't believe you did this.
Hey, next up, Palio.
Okay, she's like a little feeler moment.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say about it. It's not my favorite, but it's like not the worst thing ever either. We could go for like a little sporty.
I got something else for you. This is a pretty universal piece of clothing I'm about to give you.
Oh, it's denim. I'm nervous. Where did you get this from? Oh, they like look like they're gonna actually fit my waist though. What? Wait, they're like loose on the bottom, but like this is kind of trendy right now. This is like unexpected. I really just didn't think you'd be able to find a size 6 pair of denim jeans.
I only looked through about 600 pairs of denim.
For a second, I felt like you and I should do this video and I thrift for you and you thrift for me. But like, I would not have put in this much effort for Mario. These jeans look like they were actually made for me, and I don't believe that you didn't get them from like a basic thrift store. I think you got them from a vintage store because they're like so cute.
They fit you perfectly.
This outfit is honestly cute. When I saw the feeler top, I was like, eh, but it's like cute. This is like cuter than I dress in my real life, and Kate thrifted all of this. Why is this low-key you doing like a thrift flip and a thrift haul and like an ex-boyfriend buys my outfits? Like, this is a lot. Can we just get a little bit of appreciation for Kate in the comments? Probably go follow him on Instagram.
Thanks. When I got them, I thought I was gonna put some rips in them or do something.
These are so cute. I'm so glad you didn't rip these.
Yeah, Kate told me not to. She's like, no, you dare.
She's like, no. I feel like a little brandy girl. Would I wear it? Yeah, I probably already have a photo of this outfit on my Instagram account now by the time y'all are watching this.
I'm a bit nervous on this one.
Okay.
Picture yourself with Doc Martens on and...
Oh, I feel like that's actually kind of cute. Yeah.
I cropped it myself.
This is like almost tennis skirt looking.
Oh man,
Yeah.
I tried so hard to find
I had like so many tennis skirts in the Pinterest board that I sent to Kane.
So-
This feels like actual trash, like the fabric.
Oh, it made an entire item pink.
I love it how you wash this stuff and everything,
Yeah,
pal. Okay, this is like Insta baddie at Christmas.
Oh, what the heck? That's so ego fun, pal.
This is cute. The sweater honestly makes me want to just scratch my whole skin off.
It
But it's like
looks so
cute. Literally, I would consider this being my Christmas outfit if it wasn't like 100 degrees at Christmas time here. I kind of thought that I was gonna hate this skirt because it's like kind of shiny. It's like a fancy looking tennis skirt nearly. I'm like so impressed. You did so good. Okay, would I wear it? I would wear it.
This goes with those jeans.
Oh, yeah, this is cute. I had this in my Pinterest board. Whoa, okay, Kane takes notes, y'all.
They're lactose. It's got the little crocodile, green crocodile.
Wow, pal. I'm like so proud of you. Did you just feel like, did you put that on there
No,
yourself?
it's the brand. It's the lactose brand.
Are you calling it lactose when that's not what it is, surely? Isn't it Lacoste or something?
Yeah, but I always call it lactose.
This is it. I think it needs to be cropped a little bit more.
Yeah.
But it's cute.
The lactose top.
Oh, everyone's just gonna roast you in the comments like that.
That would be really rude because I'm sensitive and I put a lot of effort into this video, including this lactose top. Yes!
It's like way better
Way
now.
better. See, this is the thing. I had no idea how much to crop it.
Definitely looks better with a little crop action. We love thrifting an old man's old t-shirt and making it a cute crop top.
Oh, would you wear it in real life?
Yeah,
Like,
I think I would. I could like see me wearing this. Totally. That was
that was
so
not convincing,
convincing.
yeah.
I was like trying to think of something else to say and I was like, got nothing. Totally. Now that I play tennis, I could like wear it with a little tennis skirt.
Damn.
And like play tennis, and it would probably make me more skilled. I would wear it. Pal, I don't think we can do another one of these challenges because this is as hard as it gets and you're doing so well. How many more items are there?
A few.
This was expensive from like an expensive thrift store, wasn't it?
Nah, it was like a cheap one.
For realsy? For realsies, sounds like I'm going to say that in a video.
The top that I dyed pink, I used something on it to create this. Close your eyes.
This was like a full day of DIYs for you.
Okay, here you go, pal. It's got drink. It had the little patch on it and I just stuck it on.
Wait, what did you ruin?
That patch was on a t-shirt, so I just took it off and stuck it to that.
I didn't have no faith in your ability for this video, but like, I didn't think you were gonna do this good. Look.
I weirdly feel like this is like off-duty model trendy.
I like this outfit, but I think this is a kid's bucket hat. And I actually feel slightly guilty because it's so clear that you put so much effort into this video. This is not working out on my head. So if y'all have a baby and you need a bucket hat for that baby with Drake on it, maybe hit King up. I literally feel like this like little sweatshirt thing looks like one of those like vintage revival things that they would sell for like $150.
Can confirm, did not spend $150.
It's so cute, pal. What the heck? I am obsessed with this. I'm really tossing up between the jeans and this being my favorite thing in the video, but like also the set was like so creative. Pal, what the heck? I honestly didn't think that I would wear this whole outfit because the colors are so similar, but they're like actually cute. I would wear it. Fashion designer, Kane Foster. That's my best friend, woo! Cute outfit, pal. I stopped shopping for my own clothes now. I just get Kane to shop for me at the thrift store. It was a lot of effort, but like that's what I do now. I really wanted to thrift for you, but like now I know how much effort you put into this. I was like, oh, I don't think I can do that because you would just be disappointed.
I would be. Also goes with those same one pair of jeans.
What is it? It's just like oversized. It's cute.
It's a champion top.
It kind of reminds me of like Kanye West style.
Yeah.
Super basic and oversized, but like kind of cute still.
Yeah.
Can't tell on camera, but it's like kind of pastel green. It looks white on camera.
Yeah, I thought it was white the entire time. And like, no, that's green. I was like,
cute. Great job, pal.
oh, okay, I love that. That's sick. And maybe cropped a tiny bit more, but that's really cool.
I think these are like really muted colors next to each other, so I think if you added like a beanie or like a bucket hat. I have a bucket hat, will I get it?
Sarah's roasting me because I said I feel like this would look good in it.
Ow! Why would you do that? I think this would look really cute with like a bucket hat.
Oh, right there.
Maybe even a different pair of shorts. I'm gonna change my shorts too. Isn't this like a fit? It's
yeah,
like
that's
cute.
I actually love that.
It's like pastel. I think with the jeans, it was like kind of all the same color. She's even got Champion, and Champion's like trendy and expensive now.
And it's reversible, so you can reverse it and have the raw seams. So that is this video.
I just found out that Kane is obviously way better at fashion than me. So I'm gonna go reevaluate my Pinterest boards, delete all my ugly Instagram pictures. Come follow me over there, by the way. Follow Kane too because he put in so much effort. I just realized I could do like a little off the shoulder moment in this, which makes it 100% cooler.
I feel like a Kardashian would wear it.
Yeah! Hit subscribe because I post new videos every single week. I'm so awkward. Please hit the button because I'd really appreciate it. But I feel like what I just said probably didn't make you want to hit the button, but like hit it.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Okay, bye.